In this video series, I attempt to create an application that allows me to do chorded typing. Chorded typing means that you can press multiple keys at the same time as opposed to pressing them in order, which allows for much faster typing. So basically, when you type normally, you'll type individual characters. So if you type the word that, you type T, and then you type H, and then you type A, and then you type T again. And chorded typing would mean that you can press all these keys together, or some of these keys together, and type the entire word with just one keystroke. And in the first part of this series, I made it possible to actually type chords, but the way the chords were assigned to words was inefficient, and also some of the chords weren't really viable because, of course, you can't press or you can't comfortably press any arbitrary set of keys together. So in the previous video, I created a list of viable chords. The viable chord being something that is realistically convenient to type, especially as part of touch typing, because I want the chording to be optional. So I want to still be able to type all the words with just normal touch typing, but perhaps learn the most frequent words using chords. So I definitely want to kind of stick to the home row and such, like move my fingers away from the home row as little as possible. And in the previous video, I created a function that can generate chords that match these constraints. But in order to match them to words, I would need to match let's say, the best chords to the most frequent words in order to maximize speed or make learning more convenient. So now I'm trying to not only list viable chords, but somehow measure how viable they are or how good they are. So I want to create a score for the chords, something on the home row with easy keys and few keys. It should have low scores. Something with a lot of keys or a lot of weird keys or a lot of keys that are inconvenient to press should have a higher score. So then the most frequent words should get somehow the lower score chords. Of course, the matching logic could be a little bit more sophisticated than that, because also I would try to match the set of keys to in the chord to the set of keys in the word itself. So the score itself won't be the only metric used for matching words with chords, but nevertheless it will be necessary to optimize the matching. So I will need to create a score. And actually, right now I already have something. So I have these tests, and the tests verify that something with 3 keys all on the home row, it has a score of 3. So actually a score of 0 is going to be impossible. and then something with 4 keys, it will have a score of 4. So now I would go with perhaps testing that a test for each key. Skip test that is outside of score. So perhaps I replace this F with an R, and let's say that the score should be 5. And then this should be, let's say, a first example. And second example, maybe it should be also, instead of D, it should be perhaps I. So now that should be 6. Okay, so we have the 2 failures, because of course both are 4. And now it's time to now it's time to somehow implement this logic. So in order to do this, I would need to know what keys are in the home row. So I will create a variable with list of home row keys. So that's A, S, D, F, J, K, L. Oh, A, S, D, F, J, K, L. And then it would be semicolon, but we're not using that in this chorded typing system yet. So basically, length of chord. Length of chord plus keys. So actually, let's say thumb. Length of chord and keys outside of row. So I guess keys outside of home row should be length of set chord and set home row keys. So I believe that okay. So that's already 7. Let's see, print keys outside of home row. I can't print. ADK. Why is ADK? And I don't know why I can't print. Let's see what happens if I go 3, 1. Python. Import chord generator, and then chords equals list chord generator dot generate chords. Oh, wait. So sometimes 0. But yeah, to be honest, here I can just put number of chords. Here I can put that. So I can see the actual keys. How can I... Okay. So I set up outer load. Outer load. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, of course, this should not be and, it should be like minus. Yeah, those look like non-humble keys. Nice, it passed. Okay, so let's just take a look at actually the chords. Okay, so there are very few chords within a score 3, of course. Okay. JKL, FKL, DKL. And let's say anything from the center rows, or not center rows, center columns, should have an even worse score. So I feel like if I test keys on center columns makes so let's say that instead of AS IR I put ASI T, that should be, let's say, a 7. And if I put, yes, this should be a 6. So it's 2 failures. Okay, so these don't have a score at all. So that means that they're filtered out. Oh yes, because I only allow the center column from the other hand. So instead of T, maybe it could be Y or N. And it's still, oh, it's still none. Am I? Oh, because the I is also there, so it should be E, C. Okay, now finally we have the scores, and they need to be increased by 1. So center column. So these are 2 center columns. So basically, we also add the length of center column keys here. And center column keys should be something like so this is like, okay. Like C or C in chord. Well, okay, let's say key or any chord. If any of these are true, and then it's key in column or column. Well, okay, let's call it center column. In center column keys. No. What is that thing called? Center columns and corresponding hands. Okay, it passed. So I think that's it for scoring the chords, to be honest. Let me just look at it again. Chords, please. I don't know, these, oh yeah, O, Q, R. OQR, yeah, that's, so it makes sense that some of the, like the ones that look difficult, at least at first means can be can be worse than longer chords like CFZ, which is quite hard, is worse than AGK, like AGLS. Okay, so that kind of makes sense. So now I'm thinking, well, okay, let's make a commit. And then let's actually create a new branch and match chords with chords. Okay, I created a new branch, and now I'm just going to look for I'm just going to look for some word frequency table or something that could be freely used in this project. I don't know, public domain. Let's see, list maybe. Okay, word list 200 less containing 200 words that have been marked as uncommon. No, 5,000 more common is a list containing 5,000 words. This, well, word frequency lists of American English. Okay, Wiktionary has a word frequency list. So top 10,000 words. Okay, text is available under Creative Commons Attribution Share or Like license. Additional terms might apply. So count per billion. Okay, so this could be a good source. I'm not sure how this was created. Is there something in the discussion? I don't know. Is there referencing. Okay. Not CSC, SV. Top 5,000. How many chords do we have? Okay, it's around 5,000, so we don't need more than 5,000 words. At least not at this step. Dispersion frequency. Make the syllables functional. Yeah, I mean, let's try. We can always optimize it later. But what is the license for this? MIT license. Okay. And it doesn't really matter. Okay, frequency, I don't know if it's billion or whatever, but actually, probably we only need to know the order. We just want to maybe assign the most frequent words first. So let's see. Okay. So let's download it there. No, not this one. Why is it not here? Yeah, this is the one. So probably we don't need part of speech, we don't need dispersion. But okay. I want to put attributions so it's easy to find where each file is from. So word frequency 5000.csv. It is from, oh my god, it is from this URL. It's MIT license. And now perhaps modify this file and put it into Okay, so maybe move it like freak. Since we got original, and then make it into like a just a CSV with the word and the frequency and nothing else. So I can cat word frequency original and then say cut minus the comma because it's CSV, not DSV. And then I want the fields 2 because that's word. 3, 4 because that's frequency. Nice. So now I can put this into file. Then, okay, and I can remove the first line. And I can remove this one. And I don't need words that txt either. Added English. It's an English word frequency list. So now, I guess it's time to load this and try to somehow match them with the chords. So maybe like there should be like a score for how good of a match a chord is. So my idea is that we start from the most frequent words, and we try to assign one of the three chords. So obviously chords should be sorted by the score, and I would say that the logic should be like, oh, let's see how many common characters there are. So I don't know, ASK has 3 characters in common with ask, so that should be the starting score, and then maybe reduce the score for any character that's not actually in the word. So let's say that the ASK is already used, so maybe it would have to be matched with ASP, but that should have a lower score. And then we should also subtract the score of the chord itself. Or maybe divide by the score of the chord. Yeah, divide is better. Yeah, although there could be oh no, there won't be a division by 0. Okay, So, because the score will never be 0. Okay, so I guess I'll just make a new test file. Okay, so test match words words dot py, and I guess words should be somehow like, I guess, a sample of this, maybe. Be like a tuple. This should be a string. That could be integer. Okay. Okay. It's indented it too much. Okay, maybe, I don't know, put some examples that are not as frequent. It's too many examples, right? The be and of a, into, have, to, it, I, that. No, it's great, it's okay. We have the chords. Let's try to kind of cherry pick, or just include a lot of chords. No, I mean, for it should be THA. Yeah, I don't know if I want to like pre-decide any of the matching, or want to see the output and decide if I like it. So maybe for this I can just import the actual generate, import chords generator. So far this should work. And then import chord matcher. That will fail because there is no such thing as chord matcher. Okay, now there is chord matcher. And then, okay, dictionary is chord matcher dot match with words. And it should be chords words. Okay, that failed because there's no chord matcher. So, well, there's no match chords with words. It's chords words. Nice. Match chords with words. So let's say that one of the things is that each word should have a chord. So test. Well, okay, let's try first the format. The format should be, I guess, chord word score. So test output a word score. I guess something like dictionary. And I guess the key should be the chord. So something like, what's the example of a chord? Okay, let's just take any key. This should work. What is this? Chords dot keys. Should that work? And it should be, I don't know. Let's say provide what chord? Yeah, word and score. So I don't know. Provide, like, I'm just making it up, but I don't know. It's gonna be wrong, of course. And now, okay. This object has no attribute keys. Dictionary is list object has no attribute keys. Oh, because this should not be chords. This should be dictionary, which will still be wrong. It will be non-type has no attribute keys. Yes. So now I should just return dictionary like this and put, I don't know, something like A, B, D. Provide 300, what was it? 345. Okay. Ticked keys. Object is not an iterator. Okay, so it should be something like keys dot pop, maybe. Has no attribute dot pop. What if I actually make it into? Well, does set have pop? Oh, that's not a tuple. Okay. Now, let's say that all the words should have test output has test output has output includes word. So word that should be something like set and word for word and nothing in words. And for, okay, so words to include words included should be something like set and for, I mean, word or word and nothing in dictionary dot values, I guess. So then words included should equal words to include. Okay, and right that has all the other words. So return something something. I guess it could be word and word. Word in words. Is that it? Oh, for word and that. Okay, now this one is failing because it's not matched with. Okay, so is there like PyTest pattern matching? Yeah, no, something simpler. Let's do something simpler. I mean, for now, it's bullshit, but I'm just going to put like where is. What? Do. Oh, and that's, it should be 345. Okay. So now somehow each of the, so everything in the output should be somehow okay. So now all the world or all the words are included in the dictionary. So perhaps the next step would be to somehow make sure that more frequent words have better better scores, well, better chords assigned, so better scoring chords assigned. So maybe I can create like a utility function like get word score. So for chord, yeah. Let's say chord and or in chords if chord is the same as chord candidate, then return score. So actually I could use this to first make sure that everything that, oh wait, I don't even need this. I just need to make sure that all the keys are actually chords. So test that output has, well, test that chords and keys are valid chords. So basically, keys equals set dictionary dot keys chords is set of chord nothing in chords and keys. Well, okay, basically assert that keys minus chords equals empty set. Okay. So it's failed because extra items left in set company B provide into A. Okay, so let's assume let's say that chords should be a list. Python list. Okay, so pop 0. Oh, but it doesn't actually matter. The order doesn't matter. Yeah, so I can just do pop. So basically, instead of this, it should be chords.pop. What? Well, okay, chords.pop, and it should just be the first item. And it's still failing. Extra items in the left set. In here. Why? Like, set. Well, okay, so what's a set difference? Set difference. Set difference. So basically, yeah, this is what I want. I want all the keys and then remove all the valid chords from that. And then I want this A to be empty. So all the keys should be valid chords. Set difference in Python. A minus B. I mean, Is it like different types or something? I mean, can I print it? Oh my god. Let's just print the first 10 items or something. Oh, but it's set. So I don't know. It should be a way to print just any 10 items. Okay. So it does look to be kind of the same. Oh, wait, I'm modifying this thing in place. So let's say that chords is a set of a list of chords and create a copy of it. Okay, so now there's only one failure, and it's because it has a chord and a score. And I feel like instead of saying this word thing here, I can just say that this should be in dictionary dot values. And this should be also, well, I don't know, I feel like values. Yes, okay. So I no longer need this, and it will work. Yes, and I don't need this. Okay, so now I should be able to create assertion that a specific word should be matched with a chord that has a higher score than what the chord that another word is, than a score that the score of a chord that another word is matched with. Like provide should have a worse chord than the. So I already have get chord score. I should create also get chord word, which is okay, word. So basically, for chord in words.items word score no, this is dictionary dot items, and that's just word and score. Word and score is word with score. If okay, well, word to find. So if word is word to find, return word. And score is not actually used. Okay, so basically, I should test that more frequent words with better words. So frequent word. What did I have? Get chord of word. Okay, so word frequent word is get word of word. The chord of infrequent word, the chord of word, and what was it? Provider, I don't know, company. Okay, so words that gets the score word frequent word is smaller than the chord of infrequent word. So what's wrong here? I don't know. This should work. It's just because it technically could return a none, but okay. So failing because KOPXZ is the same score as IOPQS. Okay. So now it means that chords are not ordered. Why is it actually failing? Oh, because I should put here like pop 0 probably. Yes. Okay. Then let's say that I put company here. Well, I'm actually no longer assuming that this is pre-sorted and now it's failing. So basically, sorted words is sorted words. Well, I don't need to, I can just put it here. Oh, and the word, well, the key would be the frequency. Okay. And for the chords, I guess I should do the same. For this, maybe I can, well, I can, well, can I reverse it in place? It's okay, I don't like it, but it do. But it's still not failing. What? What if I do somehow something weird? I mean, it's like tuple that sorted. No, tuple sorted. Tuple sorted set string. And then I can put like 199 for score. And then put something very impossible. Okay. So basically, items. Is it reverse? Okay. So now let's let's say that we also want to make sure that a chord that's kind of close to but has similar keys should also have a higher chance of being assigned to a word. So probably the should have, I guess in this case, not THE, because that won't really exist, but for example, and should have A and D for sure for its chord, but it's probably not what it's going to get assigned. Okay, so test. Chords have similar keys to letters of chord. So basically assert that get chord of word and will be set tuple sorted set and is that true? It's probably not going to be true. There something was never closed. I'll get chord of word. Just returning the chord, not the chord underscore. Okay, so AIOQ. AIOQ. Well, that's weird as well. EIOQ. U. That should be also very should also be a very unlikely selection for very unlikely choice for this one. Okay, so basically for each like basically I need to get the best okay, get best word or word. Okay, get best remaining chord for a word, and this should be something like chord chords right now it should be just returning chords.pop 0 first, and it will actually ignore the word. So get best remaining chords. Okay, so nothing else fails. So word. Okay, so letters is set word. And then this should be basically, instead of sorting it here, this should just be list. Well, okay, basically chords is list. Chords, and then it's like if I do this, it won't work because I think it's going to, yes, it's not going to delete the chords in place. But what I could do is say, okay, chords is list chords, and then best chords is here, just chords dot remove best chords. And actually, so basically, Python, does it have a key? Is it possible to? So no, but I can still do best chord is minimum. No, wait. Python. Oh, there is. Okay, there is. Okay, so basically, I can just do min. I think min. It's just best chord. What? Non-type object is not chords that. So chords that remove best chord. What is? What does Python do? Does it return the item? It's the Ooh. And for pop. Okay, so basically I can just say return best chord. What? Mm. Okay. So basically, we don't want the chord here. And 2 failed. Why? But this should not be max, it should be min. Why? I'll still have to figure that out, but basically I can move this to a new function called get or chord. Oh, what? Oh, it doesn't have to be and it's not item, it's chord. Come on. Yep. So now I can say that letters of the word is set. And then keys. Keys. Of chord set of chord 0. So keys not in word. It's of chord minus letters. And then we should add that to the score. So this should be like plus length of keys not in word. Oh, keys. Oh, what? Keys. Not in words, it should be keys of chord minus letters. And that seems like potentially the word, like, yeah, because this should be min for floor. But then now ADL, A, D. What if I put keys in? Okay, keys in word, so that should be keys of chord. So I would probably subtract that. So only one failed. ADS, ADN, ADN, ADS. But that's okay, yeah, that's not a horrible mashup, but maybe I put the formula in a different way. So maybe I put basically keys not in word minus keys in word. Divided by word score. So that means that the best is 0. But should it be divided? But let's see what's the output now. So now AHS and ACP. For the, it's AHS, which is not bad. Company ACP is better. So I'm not sure if this is bad. Maybe the test case is not ideal. So let's see. Python. Chord generator. Chord matcher. Chords should be list. Target chords. No, what? Chords. How do I complete it? Generate chords. And then dictionary. Dictionary is word matcher. So take chords and words. Okay, so oh wait. It's so much easier. If I import test. And from, can I do this from dot test chord generator? Okay, import test chord generator, test chord generator dot dictionary. Oh, no, import test match. Okay. Okay, provide is the IO. Company is AOP. What? So it's not always the same. AOP. Say is SAY. That's very good. On is BGHNTY. Well, I guess that two-letter words actually should not be included. Like words that have these chords should at least have 3 letters, maybe. Okay, width is WIL, which is good, I think. That is HAS, that's weird. 2 is KOT. ILT for it. I is HQW. 2 is jot. Okay, so basically, first let's have a so output includes every word. So this should be except every word with so words included should be if length of word is at least 3. Okay, so now here I can put if length of word is at least 3. So now I have only one failure, the one that I had before, right? Yes. Provide is DOR, company is ACM, that's not bad. Say is SAY. Width is FIW, not bad. 4 is, oh yeah, because FR is impossible, so 4 is FJO, not bad. That is AFH. That's actually not bad, okay. Have is HAV and is ADN. EFH is the. Okay. say with U is, again, F O U is good. So now maybe let's run the whole thing for the entire word list. So basically the same way as, well, basically it's like if main, okay, okay. So main should be something like language. So I can create a folder called maybe dictionaries. Oh, dictionaries. And then language. Language words file is sys.rb. Yes, and then with open words file as input file. Words should be something like okay, like words should be like word or okay, no, it's just like line dot trim dot split by comma or line in input file. Then words is a list with the word and int, well, not int, let's say float from, should it be int? Well, okay, for now it's int, well, I can fix that later. Score word int will score for word score in raw words. Word is not defined. Okay, okay. And then, okay, dictionary is it's basically match chords with words. So somehow, okay, I have to have chords. Words. I have that here. So here I have the import chords generator. is it called? Chord generator. So this should be like chord generator dot generate chords, and then the Python, right, here's 1, 2, 5, and then, okay. Okay. And then there is such a thing as, oh no, wait, this is enough, basically. Or JSON. And then with open words file as JSON.dump dictionary into output file. And now, in theory, I should be able to do like poetry run Python chord matcher. Matcher.py. It should be, okay, language is English US, words file. Oh, okay, wait, words file and out file. Okay, dictionary file. It should be dictionary file. English US words file should be, what's it called? Word frac. Oh my god, I have to type the name, word frac, and then output file should be dictionaries / English US. So I guess now this is running. I don't know how slow it will be. Okay. Oh, it actually failed. Keys must be string and float, not tuple. Okay, that makes sense. So basically it should be like okay, let's first make it fail faster because I don't want to wait this much to find another error. Let's just, I don't know. Deal with the first 25 words or something. So now it should fail a lot faster. Yes. And then here it should be like dictionary. Dictionary. Dot items. And then it's for key value in dictionary items. And actually it should be like like empty string dot join key and then value. That should be just the first thing from that. Okay, so now inside dictionaries, I have English US. What? How does this work in? Never mind, I'll just cat canaries English US and AQ. Oh, okay. So his is IGS. This is that's so perfect. This is this. That's too perfect. Say is ASY. That is ADH. Too perfect. AFH. I wonder if this will stay this cool. But for UK, OU is not the best, so yeah. For these AF, EFH. Let's see. Should run for all 5,000 words, and I think that for that we should have enough chords. Should not fail. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. So Brink is DJ K. Oh, wait, Brink is DJ K QR. Large is KL. Large is KLP. VC. Yeah, those are close to impossible to type though. Next is KXC, Alldale, DLP, QW, DLPQ, DLP, QW. I mean, it's just that it's so far from that word. Play is GOPQ. Box is JOPX. contact CFOX. Let's see what happens with funny is FUW. See what happens with something like that. Okay, that's weird. TH. So now these are bad. What about ring? What about you? I don't know, these are not good, so something is wrong with the scoring system now. Okay, so basically this formula for calculating the top words, well, not calculating the word and chord match, it's not ideal. It seems to work really well for few words. Maybe if I put 100 words, it will still work. But that's weird, though. I mean, it worked so well for that initial set of words. And it works so well now. Oh my god, is it possible that the ordering of words is kind of the reverse? So what if I... What is it? Okay. Word matcher. What if I... Verse order. Let's see first if it makes it a lot worse. It seems like no. So what if I generated for all the words? Okay, this will take a while. It's so much better. Okay, I don't know, let's try something like company. Wow. Place. Product. Internet. Okay, so these are not in the word list. I don't know. 20. EQ. I don't know. Phone. It's not even in the top 5. Okay, phone. Ah, okay, phone. Untitled. Drive. Pick. I don't know what else. Paste. So it's not in the list. Wake. Mail. Mail. Ah, okay. Email is ALW. Orange. That's horrible, but maybe it's because it's a rare word. Is it a rare word? Yeah, it's pretty rare. So I think now it works that the question is why the tests were failing, or why the tests were not actually making sure that it works well. So maybe it would be a good idea to actually use all the words. So I can get the words the same way. Okay, a rare word has to be in the beginning, so words should be like generate non-consistent English words. Does it work? Oh no, of course, there's no words file. Maybe, okay. So I'm just gonna move that file into a new folder and then word frequencies slash word but okay, Python. Okay, because that won't work on Windows and such. Okay. Oh. Okay, now it's going to actually be very slow because it's literally calculating everything. I forgot about that. I don't even want to wait for it to finish. Maybe just load the top. Just at least load a lot more words. Maybe it can be just the top 100 sort of 5,000. What? Yes. And then company is not going to be in that one. I don't know what's the 85th word. Look. But okay, this is I can see that this is not guaranteed because of the similarity also matters. Yeah, KLSHS. Maybe something that's okay, because let's try because. Maybe that one will be a good example. It's still not a good example. Oh, because it's still getting like. Okay, so the is also not a good example. Let's try it. Oh, instead of the, let's try for. Still, what does for get? Oh, now it's the same. So because wasn't a good example because it can be typed with easy characters because of the character similarity part of the logic. So first could be because it has a lot of stuff outside of one row, maybe. Okay, yes. And then only one thing left is, I mean, before finishing this commit, is to make sure that that it's easier to call this generator. I mean, I should not have to type the full path. So basically the idea is language that words file. Okay, so that should be os.path.join. That should be word. Well, it should be the same as here. And dictionary file is not used as a parameter. Instead, dictionary file should be os.path.join. Dictionaries language dot JSON. No, not join, JSON. Now if I need dictionaries English US and run this, but I don't put this here. Okay, this should be okay. So now if I go into dictionaries, there's English US. Yes. Okay. So now I can make a commit. What's that? Previous one. Okay, add English written word list. Okay. Is Okay, match words with chords. So now I can create a pull request. Yes. So I would just say, before I merge this, maybe it would be nice to set up some kind of pipeline. Let's see. There's Github Actions, general, allow all actions and reasonable workflows. Okay. Is there PyTest? Run PyTest command. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's see. PyTest. But yeah, we'll need that too. I mean, the formatting. Okay, let's see. Don't. GitHub. Close. Touch. CI.yml. Okay, so let's see. Name CI on push. Oops. Into latest. Check out. Yes, set up Python. Well, 3.10 maybe. Actually, let's do 3.7. Install Pottery, cache Pottery virtual env. Okay, set Pottery config. Install dependencies. Code quality, so test with PyTest. Not needed. Okay. Will the cache still work? To be honest, I can just copy this thing. And latest. Python version, I don't know, 8. Git check out, which we set up. Yes. Use cached virtual env. Please. Why is it? Okay, PyTest. Okay, do we have a working pipeline? What's going on? Poetry was unable to find compatible. Okay, so at least Python 10 is needed. What? Oh. Failing after 3 seconds. Oh, what? Right. It's already failing at Python setup. What? Python setup. It's not going to work. Okay. Let's try that. What? Finished. Okay, so PyTest. Nice. Okay. So let's merge. And delete branch. So now let's create a new branch for use actual dictionary for typing. And then I can try now what it feels like to type using the actual dictionary. Maybe I can try to do a little bit of practice. So maybe learn top 10 words, well, the ones that have more than 2 characters. Okay. I don't know, top words in practice. And then for words.py, instead of opening words.txt, let's open dot slash. Okay, so basically Python read JSON file. Okay. So with open, okay, with open dot slash dictionary slash English use the JSON as dictionary file. Words equals JSON dot load dictionary file. All of this should be needed. I just need to import JSON. Okay, I should have put something like ready. Nice, it's ready. So I can maybe open gedit and from the word frequency lists. Have it should be no from the dictionary. Have is a HB, that is AHS for is FJO. U is OSU. Width is IGW. Say is ASY. This is JS. They is ASY. What is AFH is go on. Is FHSZ. Okay. So that one did not get a lucky combination for some reason. So now, if I put ASY, what? AHS, AHV, Nothing works. Why? Okay. So so now it's doing things at least. But it's not typing a chord. Well, it's not typing a word using the chord. But I can type one by one. It still works. And it's deleting it. So it's just trying to type it. It's so much. Okay. Oh. It's because it's going to... Okay, what is it? Type word. Chord is double sorted keys, but in the file it's a string. And this should not be needed, I guess. Okay, so have that with you. With you. Have that with you. AFH. That AH. Oh, AFH. Why is it that? AFH should be but. That is AHS, no? That AFH is also that. Okay, that's weird. They, ASY, they, his is F. That works. With is with. For, they, you, they say this. Why is AFH that? Oh, AFH is that. So, but wait, that is AHS and AFH and AFHS and AHS and AFH. Do we have that multiple times? Yes. Okay. So we need to deduplicate the we need to deduplicate this word frequency list, I guess, or find a better one or something. And but is BLU. Okay, so there's no major bugs here, maybe. So what? ASY is. So it's not working now at all. And now it's working. Okay, so there's some kind of bug that makes that stops it from working after a while. So that will be interesting. Okay, so let's say have that with oh use no U is OSU. Have that with U. What? But say this or for you, not for you. AHS is the A the and A and D. The A and D. What AHS? The these the and okay, let's try it like a monkey type. I'll probably be slower than without, but okay, hold over, so move than anywhere to that, and base in front of the public one way might be from A, and the count and get past Is there a way to have just frequent words? English 1K, maybe. Is there like a custom? Type in order. It's because I want to focus on those words. Create your own typing test. Okay, text. Well, something like, okay. Let's put this like couple times. And okay. So bash. Well, okay, is there like in shuffle lines? Vim lines. Is it just this? Yes. Then okay, vim join. GGVG. GG. Visual G. Not GG. Invalid range. Okay. Okay, let's try. Oh wait. Keep type custom text. Why am I not finding anything in Google? Oh. Monkey type. Come on. Custom. Okay. Nice. But okay. Nice. Is it? Okay. So U is OSU. U. Have is HAS. No. Have is HAV. Have U. His is. FJ. that is AHS, that but is, say, that was HAS, is this also with is IGW, this is IJS, 4 is GL, that AHS, say, width was IGW, say, they, that, but let's you have they is that AHS, say but they but his they what is have is AHV, say with is IGW, say IGS, his is yeah, 4 IGW with is IGW, JV 4 is GO, IGS have 14 words per minute. But that's first try. But I do think that I want to try to fine-tune the settings so that maybe sacrifice a little bit of efficiency for a little bit more similarity between each word and its chord.